Hey and welcome back to the third part of our ACT video series. If you've missed the first two parts, have a look at the links in the description below. In the previous videos, we introduced the Ixxat and ACT. We guided you through the installation, project setup and bus configuration. In this video, we will focus on the creation of mappings and the different mapping types. We'll start with the surface like this. Before, you should have set up a project and configured the buses as shown in the previous video. In the next step, we will start to create a standard mapping. Okay, so let's get started. The essence of this feature is simple but incredibly powerful. It's all about drag and drop, a mechanism many of you are already familiar with. The gateway view of the ACT is divided into two areas, source and destination. Regardless of which bus system is involved, the mapping of messages or individual signals from the source bus to the destination bus is always carried out in the same way via drag and drop. To achieve this, simply drag the object from the bus description of the source side and then drop it into the destination field. This action creates a standard mapping. In essence, the process takes just seconds but eliminates the manual intricacies involved in moving data between fields. Now, let's discuss a slightly nuanced version of the mapping process, the reverse mapping. Instead of dragging the object to the top field, this time you'll be placing it in the bottom field. This reverses the direction of your mapping, as if you had swapped source and destination. Before you start the drag and drop action, there's a crucial step that needs attention. This step involves selecting the specific type of mapping you desire. In the ACT, there are three primary mapping types, each tailored for specific data structures. Message. Choosing this option means you intend to copy the entire frame. Every mapped frame from the source gets accurately mirrored on the destination bus. PDU, Protocol Data Unit. If your intent is to copy a complete PDU, this is the option to select. It works seamlessly to ensure the PDU in its entirety is replicated in the destination field. And signal. Now, what if you wish to copy just specific signals and not the entire frame or PDU? That's where the signal mapping type comes into play. So it's even possible to combine signals from different source messages into one target message. For signal and PDU mappings, you can also define a default value and specify event-based and/or cyclic timing for sending out the message on the destination bus. In conclusion, the ACT, with its drag and drop feature and distinct mapping types, offers a blend of simplicity and flexibility. The process is smooth, efficient and adaptable to your specific needs. Always remember to select your mapping type first to ensure the desired outcome. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.